All right, let's get moving.
Shout out Adam and shout out Professor. Thank you very much. Adobe Photoshop on the web will be free to everyone. What? What? The browser-based version of the popular photo editor will include its core features. Oh, it's a light. It's a Photoshop Lite. Trimmed down version, I guess. Adobe Photoshop will soon be free to all users as a basic web-based version of the full photo editing app. This free edition is currently being trialed in Canada.
Whoa.
Shout out Team Canada. Shout out Maple Syrup, Justin Bieber, and Mo. All on the same level.
Right.
Maple, Bieber, Mo. Maple, Bieber, Mo.
Oh, we should have a theme song.
It's a new promo. It's a new promo at Tim Hortons. It's called Maple Bieber Mo. It's a new flavor.
Have you tried it?
It's a new donut. Oh, you're talking about the vanilla cold? No.
The brew beebs?
What do you think? Because is it too sweet for me?
I guarantee you it's going to be too sweet for you.
Okay. So then what do I have to do? I don't have to try it.
But however, I haven't tried it. So.
Oh.
So I don't know.
Just know these things.
I just know these things.
You have strong intuitions.
I mean, dude, just even their iced coffee is sometimes too sweet.
I know, but I order to taste.
What? You order what?
I order it to taste.
So you order an iced coffee without, what is it?
No, to taste it.
What?
What's going on here?
You're like, can I get a few
You're on a plane.
samples?
You're on a plane.
Where am I going?
You should know if you're on a plane. No, to taste meaning just like salt on your food. You would say how much sugar you want. And if I order iced coffee from them, I say I want half or less or just a little bit of sugar.
Okay.
Or none usually, but.
Right, you usually go none.
You get where I'm going. You can have the cold brew with none, but I doubt you can have Bieber's drink with none.
I don't think so.
Because he's got a special concoction. Maybe you know. Did you do it?
No.
Okay.
But have you ever put salt in your coffee?
That's like a salted caramel type of situation?
No, just like a really minor pinch.
I'll do it.
Is this a game changer, Will?
I'll do it.
Yeah, I do it every time.
I'll do it.
Whoa, every time?
I'll do it.
Yeah,
Okay.
at home.
I'll do it.
Well, we got to do this. Now we got to have the beebs and we got to put the pinch of salt in the coffee.
It's supposed to just neutralize the bitterness. That's what I heard.
What's so funny, Lou? I think
Somebody in the chat said, I've never heard anyone order to taste. I'm going to try it in the drive-thru and go, I'd like to order coffee to taste. They're like, yeah. Listen, salt is a magic trick in many cases in small amounts where you least
Very
expect
small
it.
amount, yeah.
Oatmeal is another one. A lot of people don't realize when you make oatmeal, you should have a little bit of salt in it. Not a lot, just a little bit. The stripped-down browser version of the popular photo editor will give more users access to the core features of Photoshop. When the web version launched to subscribers in October, it was positioned as a collaboration tool for artists to share an image with others so they could make small edits or add annotations. Adobe has since expanded its functionality and added the ability to create a new document from the web instead of having to upload one from the full desktop app. So it is stripped down. I don't know exactly what's missing, which tools they would keep from you, but this is what's happening now. It's the freemium model. It's like the games. It's the Fortnites and so forth. You got to let me use the thing, and then I get hooked, and then I'm doing business, and then I'm living life, and then I say to myself, you know what? I'm going to pay a little extra for some of these other things.
for a little extra.
Because even you're doing a thumbnail here and there, and then you say to yourself, could my life be easier if I just paid Adobe some money? And Adobe says yes.
Yes, of course. We'll happily take your money.
And you pay them